Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix free up space problem in Play Store. So let's get into it. Uninstall unwanted apps. Delete the apps you don't use to free up space on your Android. To delete an app, tap and hold it, then select Uninstall. Repeat this process to delete all the apps that you don't want or you don't use. Another way is to clear Google Play Store's cache and data. To do this, launch the Settings app on your Android device. Tap Apps and Notifications in Settings. Find the Google Play Store app in the list, and if you don't see this app, tap See All Apps. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Storage followed by Clear Cache on the following screen. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.